Good morning, my dear students. Hope you are well and safe at your home. Today, the class is our English second paper class, and today we will learn a very interesting content and another topic, new topic actually, which is related with our voice change. And the topic is voice change by using WH word. Okay, I know this is a very unknown topic or unknown content for all of you because we have never learned the topic before. So today we will just listen the whole discussion over the video and rewrite all the structure in our homework copy. Okay, this is the today's lesson, only today's task for today, because without knowing or without understanding properly we can't do any kind of exercises over the topic. So please, it's an earnest request to all of you dear students, listen to the each and every step of my lecture properly and try to make the clear conception for it. Okay, so the topic is voice change by using WH word. I think all of you have known what are WH word in the previous classes. In spite of that, I am telling the words again. WH words are who, what, which, how, when, where, which, whom, whose. This kind of word are used in WH as WH word in each and every sentence. Okay, the next line I have written, see, when any WH word will be used in any sentence, it will be remain unchanged. That means when we get any kind of sentence for changing it into passive form, then the remaining part, that means the starting part which will be started with WH word, is remaining unchanged. No change will be there of this WH word. Okay, and the structure, see, at first WH word will be used there, then helping verb. That means one important topic is there. When any sentence will be used with the help of WH word, the subject will be absent in some time. That means you will not get subject in every sentence. So the structure is WH word, helping verb, past participle of main verb, then by, then subject. That means which will be used as object, as you know everyone. Okay, now I am going to the direct discussion along with the examples. See, I have written some examples in here. First one is what, second one why, third one which. So the sentence is, what do you want, why did the teacher punish you, which book do you want. All the sentences are related with the using of WH word. Okay, so how have we changed this sentence? See, what should be remain unchanged. Okay, then do you want, from do to want, this part is related with the present pattern. That's why I have used is. Past participle of main verb, wanted, then use by as usual, then turn out the object which will be the subject in here. That means see, the main subject will be absent. এখানে main subject থাকবে না. So the answer is what is wanted by you. This is the active sentence, this is the active voice, and the sentence which I have changed, that is passive. So the answer is what do you want. The passive form is what is wanted by you. The every part will be remain unchanged except this one. So just try to memorize the system or the formula which we have discussed in our previous classes. Voice, assertive, interrogative. Okay, second one, why did the teacher punish you. See, after why we have used verb as like as the first one. Passive, why should be remain unchanged, as we will take the object as subject. That's why where we have used. Okay, where, why, were you punished by the teacher. Why as the first part of WH word in the sentence, where has been used for you, then punished past participle of main verb, then by as the part of the passive voice, then the teacher has been used as subject, but this is the object. Okay, third one, which book do you want? This is active sentence. And the passive form, which book, these two words will be added together. Okay, then is, because do verb will be turned into am is are. So as we are seeing that is matched with the sentence, that's why is has been there. Then wanted by you. Okay, properly notice these three sentence, and if you notice properly, then if you just see each and every step, then you can be well informed about the using of the verbs. Okay, the next one, how did you do the task? Active and passive. See, same system as the three sentence before. How was, how should be, will be remain unchanged. Was has been used as the part of did. The task, okay, the task will be used as the subject. Done by you, that means the answer is how was the task done by you. 5 number sentence, when was she seeing the picture? See the pattern, except the word when. Was she seeing the picture? This is the example of present past continuous. So just when will be used as the first part of the sentence, and the rest part will be followed as interrogative. See, when was the picture being seen by her? Again, when was for taking the picture as subject. Then being has been used for continuous. Then seen, past participle of main verb. Then by, then her. Okay, I am quite sure if you notice this 5 sentence properly, then you have been well informed about changing the sentence from active to passive by the helping of WH word. And the most important thing, must give importance to this line, WH word. That means how we have used the sentences, how we have changed the sentences. At first we have used WH word, and the rest part will be followed as interrogative pattern. All of you know that in interrogative pattern all time verb should be used in here. In the same case will be seen in this type of sentence also. Just put the WH word and the rest part as the interrogative pattern. Okay, at first see this video properly for understanding the replacement of WH word from changing into active to passive. Okay.